Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Walter-Scott and I'm an award-winning Adobe certified instructor, and this is the Premiere Pro Advanced course. So this course is aimed at people who already know the fundamentals of Premiere Pro. It's for those of you who have your ways of working but know that there are so many tools, updates, and time-saving techniques that you just haven't had time to explore yet. If that all sounds familiar, this course is for you. We'll start with the best productivity hacks and all the little known features to super speed your timeline editing. We'll dive into color management, exploring color grading, color replacement, and skin tone correction. You'll master all the new Lumetri color methods and harness the power of scopes. You'll learn new ways to pull off traditional and new style transitions. You'll become a master at fixing shaky handheld and drone footage. And there won't be anything you can't mask or blur. We'll get your computer running super speedy with proxies, scratch disks, and cache management. You'll master high frame rate footage so that you can get spectacular slow motion. You'll easily create high quality professional motion graphics and data-driven infographics. And multicam editing will be a breeze. You'll learn amazing ways to clean up your audio, removing hiss, noise, and echo, plus markers, subtitles, plugins. And lastly, you'll learn all the tricks and settings to get the most from your rendering in both Premiere Pro and Adobe Media Encoder. So those are the highlights of what we cover in the course. We do cover a lot more. Check out the contents and also check out the student reviews, and you will see we cover a lot in this course, and we will get you from Premiere Pro good to Premiere Pro great. In the course, you'll use lots of real-world practical examples with exercise files that you can download and play along with me. So if you can't remember the last time you sat down, went through all the features and all the upgrades in Premiere Pro, let this course be your all-in-one professional development and upgrade. You owe it to yourself, you really do. So sign up and go from good to a Premiere Pro superhero. With like a cape, we could be saving edits from evil baddies. We should totally get capes. All right, I'll see you in class, sign up.